Alright guys, it is the Wiz, and we're gonna go ahead and start vlogging, mainly about, not about that, but anyways, I'm gonna start mainly vlogging about these cats and dogs. They seem to never get full. Let me put, this is pizza, guys. Okay? These cats and dogs get fed about, not to lie to you, not to exaggerate it, about 10 times a day. But they're always hungry. Look at the sad face on that puppy. He is so sad and hungry. Look at that cat. So big. You know, it's a boy, but it looks like it's pregnant, and it's always starving. As soon as you come outside, it'll claw you. Anyways, let's get to it. I'm gonna throw these pizza at it and see what happens here. And right now they're pretty much full, but like I said, they still fight. The dog just is so aggressive, but seems to get along with cats. Here comes the rest of them right now. Look. Here comes the rest of the buddies. This is the, we're gonna see. It's not to let the cats fight and the dogs fight or nothing. It's to show how hungry. And you see that one in the back? Come here. Everybody gets to eat, not just this dog. You better not even fight with these cats. But this is how starving they always are. So you get it, and they run. It knows that the dog cannot reach it there. The little white cat is the only one that takes the. That's the only one that would take a fight from the dog. The rest, no way. They're sneakies. They see that pizza. Dog doesn't. Watch when I go in. Just look up. Got the pizza that the cat wanted. Well, that's the first vlog. Stay tuned, and the next one will come soon.